Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics because they solve many issues fast. Turn off airplane mode and ensure cellular data is enabled. You'll see the carrier name and 4G or 5G at the top. Next, restart the phone, hold the side button and slide to power off. Wait 10 seconds, then power back on. This clears transient software glitches and forces a fresh network registration. Once done, glance at signal bars and the carrier label so you know whether to proceed to SIM and network steps. Now you focus on the SIM and software states because physical contact and cache settings often cause drops. Power off, eject the SIM tray, inspect the SIM for scratches or dirt, then reseat it firmly. A loose SIM interrupts registration. If issues persist, reset network settings to clear saved Wi-Fi, VPN, and APN records. This forces new carrier negotiation. Make sure carrier settings and iOS are current. Updates contain fixes and refreshed carrier profiles. Finish with targeted troubleshooting. Test the SIM in another phone or insert a known working SIM into your iPhone to isolate hardware versus account problems. If the SIM works elsewhere but not on your device, schedule a Genius bar or authorized repair. It could be the antenna or SIM reader. If no SIM works, call your carrier to confirm provisioning, account blocks, or regional outages. They can push a refresh. As a last resort, back up to iCloud and perform a restore. This rebuilds system settings without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.